at Target. Just got here and look what I found. Good stuff, right? And I just got here right now. Believe it or not. Nice. First time I see one, I hadn't seen one, and I'm not picking it up because I'm not into 5-packs. There goes the bat. I'm not into 5-packs, so not into 5-packs. Okay, would you guys stop falling? They're stacked over here. Looks like they just Alright, let me put that there because it's gonna keep falling. Looks like they just brought them out because there's so many of them. I mean, they were nice and neat and well organized. So that means looks like no one has touched them. This is a nice Jeep Commando. Nice. Oh, look at this. I'm picking this one. I'm getting this one. Definitely getting this one. Definitely getting this Datsun 510. So I got that. Okay, I'm gonna have to pick all those up. Look at that, nice piece. Okay, so at least I found a Datsun. It is so cold, guys, out here in the Northeast. Very cold. Like really freezing cold. We gotta. I honestly don't. Okay, we're gonna have to pick those up in a while. Oh, I know why. There's nobody out because it's so cold that everybody decided to stay home. Because, man, I tell you, man, it's cold. It's very cold. Okay, so nothing there. Look at this. Got the USS Vengeance. Put these back. Let's keep looking. Let's keep looking. Put these back. I like it when it's like this, nice and quiet. It's just me and the cars. Just me and the cars. Me and the cars. No one else. It's just me and the cars. And some of the employees, of course. Walking around. And of course, look at this thing right here. Whatever it's called, I don't know. Come on, you gotta give me something. Don't tell me I'm just gonna get just a Datsun and that's it. Wow, nice, super. What a nice super fair lady. Give me a nice super, come on. Give me a super. Super. Not one, give me 2 supers. Darn it. Give me 2 supers. Darn it. Nothing up there. Nothing, because I look at the names. Nothing back there. See, what I do is I just look at the names. Nothing there. And then the last one here. The last one, man, nothing there either. So we found this. Look at that, 1, right? And 2, we've got the dat. Guys, never leave a Datsun behind, okay? Never. Anyways, I think that's gonna be it for now because I don't see anything else here. I'm trying to put this back nice and neat. There you go, nice and neat, well organized. That's it. And look at that. Is this a Chevy Silverado here? Looks like a Chevy Silverado, right? Those of you who know anything about monster trucks, let me know. Let me know what that is. Is that a Chevy Silverado? All right, guys. I think we're gonna color the video. We saw what we found here. 1, 2 of the speed blurred that has a Datsun 510 wagon. All right, until next video, guys. Happy hunting and God bless. Leave your tips, comments, suggestions, subscribe. Let me know.